Hey, Keith from Cage's Garage. Just came walking out here and I saw this on my son's car. Wah, wah, wah. So I looked and you can see culprit right there. Nail right into the groove too. That's a pain. It's too bad. I mean, this has a lot more rubber on it. It would have been better. But anyway, we're going to plug that sucker. You can see it's really low right now. I gotta pull it to over here so I can get to the air pump. So I'm gonna move it, pull it over there, and get that nail out of there. I'm gonna show you how we do it. It's just a quick little video on how to plug a tire, really. As the tire is so low on air, you need to put air on it. Just put it on the ground. We backed up the car so I can get to this nail. The nail.
How much?
Just keep going. It probably has nothing in it. So now I can pull the nail out this way, and then I can ream it and do all that stuff I need to do. So pull it out. Oh, it's not leaking that bad. Now we ream it with that thing. Get that thing in there.
Use your muscles.
What I would do is I would lay on the ground and get it in there. Something like that. Yep, twist it.
Wow.
Just try not to bend it because it'll break.
How to be why it's weak.
Alright, you try this then.
Alright, bet. Is it because the air is pushing back on it?
Go on. You try this.
Or you could just use a hammer.
Oh wow! It's because it's a small hole.
You want to make the hole bigger?
You gotta make the hole bigger to fit the plug in. White. Oh. Camera down. Sorry. This is a little bit tough. It's easier to take the wheel off. So now it's the right size hole. And you just go, once you get it all in, Wyatt.
Ayo! What you doing there, Sonny?
Alright. You don't want the tire to flex. I'm trying to we're trying to get this thing in there, and the whole tire's moving. The more air you put in it, the less it'll flex. It's like 40 pounds in there. Alright. Now, grab one of these patches, one of these string things. Flatten. You have to shove it through here. So, crunch this.
Is this sticky?
Yeah, it's sticky.
What for?
You put some rubber cement. That's what this is. This is just rubber cement.
Yeah, why instead of looking at apartments ago, just hold the camera.
You hold the camera. You got it.
If it's rubber cement, then it's gonna be cement.
Okay, put some rubber cement on here.
Oh, it's yellow.
That's what it is. Take this. I like the one that doesn't have a slice in it because it won't pull it back out. I've done this so many times where it pulls the the plug back out. Pull this like halfway through.
Is it stronger than super glue, rubber cement?
No. Now you take a bunch of this. You want it to be a little bit slippery. Put some on here.
Is it lubricant?
No, it like galvanizes this to the tire. Vulcanizes.
It vulcanizes?
Vulcanizes it. So now, Wyatt's going to pull that out. Pull that thing out, and then I'm going to plug this in right away. Go straight out. And a whole bunch of air is going to come out. Ah, come on.
You got this, Dad.
Yeah. What is it? Oh my gosh. Why? It was so difficult. Like the hardest tire I've ever plugged.
Put some more lubricant on there.
Jeez.
Now you just leave that in there.
Woo. Okay. Now that's in. All the way. Pull it out. My knife. Trying to get to that little hole that was in there. Oh, I pulled the whole thing out. That's not supposed to happen. I'm supposed to cut right here. It's not supposed to do this. Pain in the neck. All right, you see it. This is what that is. Okay.
Imagine you actually stab a hole.
I actually cut the tire.
Yep.
That'd be unfortunate. There. See, now you push it in and you pull it out and then you cut it off. Now let's see if we can cut some of this off. This will happen there. Okay. Let that sit for a minute.
Put some more
More air in it. You check all your tires before, Wyatt? Yeah. Okay, that's it.
Alright guys, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn the post notifications on. Peace out.
Alright, so now I got some soap and water here. Just spray it on there. See if it's leaking. It does not look like it's leaking. And then when he drives, this will get pushed in. And he'll probably won't even notice it. It doesn't look like it's leaking. Looks like it's fixed.